Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast, dears? Shall we start today's session? Last class, we see about clothes, food, household articles, tools. What are the household articles we see? Table, chair, sofa, cot, television, iron box, phone, washing machine, washing, WASHING, washing machine, 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 washing machine, fan, table fan, mobile phone, refrigerator, 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 dining table, DINNING, dining table, 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 dining table, mirror, 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 comb, radio, mixer. What are the tools we see yesterday? Saw, SAW, saw. Scissors, SCISSORS, scissors. Pliers, PLIERS, pliers. Axe, AXE, axe. Hammer, HAMMER, hammer. Screwdriver, SCREW, 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 screw. Screwdriver, DRIVE, drive, screwdriver. Knife, KNIFE, knife. Okay, K silent, we have to pronounce it as knife. KNIFE, knife. Opener, 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 opener. Spanner, SPANNER, spanner. What are the clothes we see yesterday? Coat, shirt, shorts, t-shirt, vest, frock, trousers, sari, churidar, skirt, tie, dhoti. These are the cloths names we see yesterday. What are the food items? Meals, idli, dosa, uppuma, puri, vada, idiyappam, parota. Okay, now today we are going to see social workers. Social workers. What are the social workers we see in our daily life? Okay, here are some of the examples. Let's see the jobs. What are the jobs or what are the social workers' name? Okay, first one, the social worker is doctor. Who is he? He is a doctor treating a patient. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Teacher is the one teaching her students. Okay. Next one. Who is he? He is a police. He is a police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. Postman. Postman. Who is he? Postman. Postman is the one who is delivering the letters. Postman. P-O-S-T. Post. Man. M-A-N. Man. Because he is a male, so man. P-O-S-T. Postman. M-A-N. Man. Postman. Tailor. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Tailor is the one stitching clothes for a people. Tailor's duty is to stitching clothes. Okay. Let me read the spelling. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. F-A-R-M. Farm. E-R-R. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Next one, driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. Driver. Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Mason. Carpenter. Carpenter. C-A-R. Car. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. T-E-R. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Potter. P-O-T-T-E-R. Potter. P-O-T-T-E-R. Potter. Electrician. Those who repairing electric things is called electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. Electrician. ELECTRICIAN, electrician. Mechanic, mechanic. MECHANIC, mechanic. MECHANIC, mechanic. Washerwoman, washerwoman, because the duty is did by a girl, so she is a woman. Okay, so washerwoman, washer. WASHER, washer. Woman, WOMEN, woman. Washer woman. WASHER, washer. Woman, WOMEN, woman. Washer woman. Weaver, those who is weaving the clothes is called weaver. WEAVER, weaver. WEAVER, weaver. Barber, BARBER, barber. Barber is the one, those who cutting our hair. Those who trim our hair is called barber. BARBER, barber. BARBER, barber. Let's recall what are the things we see. Social workers. First one, doctor. Next one, nurse. Teacher. Police. Postman. Tailor. Farmer. Driver. Mason. Carpenter. Potter. Electrician. Mechanic. Washerwoman. Weaver. Barber. Next page. Let's see about entertainment. What are the entertainment purposes in our daily life? Entertainment. Shopping. SHOPPING, shopping. SHOPPING, shopping. Park. PARK, park. PARK, park. Cinema theatre. Cinema theatre. CINEMA, cinema. Theatre. THEATER, theatre. Cinema theatre. Cinema. CINEMA, cinema. Theatre. THEATER, theatre. Cinema theatre. Circus. CIRCUS, circus. CURCUS, circus. Amusement park. Amusement. AMUSE, amusement. MENT, ment, amusement. Park. PARK, park. Amusement. amusement, amusement. Park, 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 amusement park. Beach, 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 beach. Zoo, is it o, zoo, is it o, zoo. What are the entertainment? Shopping, park, cinema theatre, circus, amusement park, beach and zoo. Next one, let's see the festivals we celebrated in India. Okay, these are all the festivals we celebrated. First one, Diwali. Diwali, 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 Diwali. Christmas, Christ, mas, Christmas, Christ, mas, Christmas. Pongal, 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 Pongal. Vinayagar Chaturthi, Vinayagar Chaturthi, Vinayakar, Vinayagar. Chaturthi, 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 Vinayagar Chaturthi, Vinayagar Chaturthi, Vinayakar, Vinayagar Chaturthi, Chaturthi, Vinayagar Chaturthi. Holi, 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 Holi. Buddha Purnima, Buddha Purnima, Buddha, 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 Buddha. Purnima, 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 Buddha Purnima. Onam, 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 Onam. Ramzan, 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 Ramzan. Raksha Bandhan, Raksha Bandhan, Raksha, Raksha Bandhan, 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 Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated for brothers. Okay, Ramzan is a Muslim festival. Diwali is a Hindu festival. Christmas is a Christian's celebration. Okay, what are the festivals we see? Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, Vinayagar Chaturthi, Holi, Buddha Purnima, Onam, Ramzan, Raksha Bandhan. Next one, let's see the leaders. First one, Mahatma Gandhi. He is the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi. M-A-H-A-T-M-A. Mahatma Gandhi. G-A-N-D-H-I. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. M-A-H-A-T-M-A. Mahatma Gandhi. G-A-N-D-H-I. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru. J-A-W-A-H-A-R-L-A-L. Jawaharlal Nehru. N-E-H-R-U. Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. G-O-P-A-L-A. Gopala Krishna. K-R-I-S-H-N-A. Krishna Gokhale. G-O-K-A-L-E. Gokhale. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B-A-L. Bal Gangadhar. G-A-N-G-A-D-H-A-R. Gangadhar Tilak. T-I-L-A-K. Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Rajaram Mohan Roy. R-A-J-A-R-A-M. Rajaram Mohan Roy. M-O-H-A-N-R-A-I. Mohan Roy. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. S-U-B-H-A-S-H. Subhash Chandra Bose. C-H-A-N-D-R-A. Chandra Bose. B-O-S-E. Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Bhagat Singh. B-A-B-H-A-G-A-T. Bhagat Singh. S-I-N-G-H. Singh. Bhagat Singh. Sardar Patel. S-A-R-D-A-R. Sardar Patel. P-A-T-E-L. Patel. Sardar Patel. Rabindranath Tagore. He wrote many poems. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore. R-A-B-I-N-D-R-A-N-A-T-H. Rabindranath Tagore. T-A-G-O-R-E. Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Kamarajar. K-A-M-A-R-A-J-A-R. Kamarajar. His birthday is celebrated on July 15th. Kamarajar. K-A-M-A-R-A-J-A-R. Kamarajar. Kamarajar. Dr. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar. DR. It is a short form for a doctor. DR is a short form of Dr. Ambedkar. A-M-B-E-D-K-A-R. Ambedkar. A-M-B-E-D-K-A-R. Ambedkar. Rajendra Prasad. Rajandra. Rajendra Prasad. 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 Rajendra Prasad. What are the leaders we see today, Kutis? First one, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Patel, Rabindranath Tagore, Kamarajar, Dr. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad. Today your assignment is you have to tell any 5 leaders name in a voice message and send in our group. Okay dears, you have to say any 5 like Mahatma Gandhi. First you have to say leader's name. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Patel, Rabindranath Tagore, Kamarajar, Dr. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad. Like this, you have to say any 5 leaders' name in a voice message. Okay, dears? Leaders' name. You have to say any 5 of the leaders' name and record a voice message, send in our group. Okay, students? Students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately as soon as possible. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.